From your dashboard, make sure you have the correct tax year selected, then Start Now under 990PF. You'll be brought to the return. Information about your organization will be entered up here. Make sure you check the type of organization, the accounting method, and anything that applies to you here. Then you'll move down to Part 1 and enter all revenue, operating and administrative expenses. Then move to page 2. Use the balance sheet to balance all of this out between assets, liabilities, and net assets or fund balances. You can view a video here for a more detailed explanation of how this all works. This will all be calculated for you down here in Part 3. Move to page 3. You can add investments here, either by manual entry or bulk upload. If you use bulk upload, you can download our template, fill it out, drag and drop it back in here. In Part 5, you'll enter your excise tax based on investment income. Move to page 4. In Part 6, you'll answer these questions regarding activities, yes or no, all the way down. Organizations' books are in the care of, make sure you fill that out. Page 5, answering more questions for which Form 4720 may be required. Part 6, continuing that section. And then Part 7, information about officers, directees, trustees, etc. Filling all this information out for everyone, adding rows. The compensation of the highest 5 paid employees, other than those in Section 1 up here. Check if none. Page 7, the 5 highest paid independent contractors. Check if none. And then summary of charitable activities, filling this out, total expenses, etc. Down here, the summary of program-related investments. Move to page 8. This is the minimum investment return. Fill this out. Distributable amount, qualifying distributions. Page 9. Undistributed income, filling this out. Page 10. If you're required to fill this part out, it will not be grayed out like this, but I don't need to do this, so it's grayed out. Part 14, for supplementary information, if you have $5,000 or more in assets at any time during the year. Page 11, more supplementary information, grants and contributions. Page 12, analysis of income-producing activities. Page 13, transfers and transactions with non-charitable exempt organizations. If you're required to fill this out, it again will be activated, and then sign here. You'll then have Schedule B down here, any statements that you need to add, and attachments, then proceed to audit and transmit. Continue to audit. The system will check your return for common errors. If any errors are found, you can easily fix them by clicking on the buttons that'll take you back to the form and show you where you need to fix things. Once no errors are found, continue on. You can now add reviewers and approvers from your organization. So you'll enter their name and email address, and they'll be sent an email with a link to a secure portal where they can view the return, fill it out, add comments, approve the return, etc. Let you know how it looks. You can do that if you want, or you can skip. Then you will need to sign the 8453TE, either on your own, or send it to someone else to e-sign. If you send to e-sign, you'll add their email. They'll be sent again to a portal where they'll e-sign it. Either way, it will work the same way, where you click to e-sign, add your signature, adopt and sign. You can add text and fax alerts here. If you wish to receive updates from the IRS, you'll by default get email updates in the email associated with your account. You can add additional emails for other people in your organization, up to 5 here. And then click Next when you're ready. Check everything over one more time and complete your order. Add or select a credit card, confirm that you can use that card, and pay and transmit to the IRS. And that's it. You'll receive status updates in that email, or by text and fax if you updated those, or by text and fax if you chose those. Also in your dashboard, you can view the statuses here. Thank you for making Tax 990, the #1 e-file provider for nonprofits. If you have more questions, you can reach out to our support team at 704-839-2321 or by email at support@tax990.com.